Mga siklistas, ako nga pala si Mel Aquino.
Ako si Jack Buncio.
At ito ang
Featured Rider of the Week.
Kasama po natin ngayon ang isa sa mga kilalang rider sa Taytay Rizal at isa sa mga may-ari ng racetrack, private racetrack sa Taytay Rizal. At kasama rin niya ang kanyang marketing manager. Mga kaibigan, kasama po natin Mr. Sam Tamayo and Mr. Gino Cruz. Ayan. So, Jack, di mo na itatanong, no? Si Sam ay former Shell Yamaha rider. I think that was 1999.
Kasama tayo.
Magkasama pa tayo, no?
Bata ka pa nun. Magka-teammate tayo nun.
At teammate tayo.
Naalala mo?
Oy, oo nga pala. I was the beginner rider for Shell Yamaha. Then, nalipat ako ng Mobile Honda.
Yeah, and then binalik ka namin.
Balik uli natin sa grupo. Well, anyway, Sam, tell me about motocross riding. What does motocross differentiate with road racing? Ano ba ang meron sa motocross?
Actually, hindi ko na-try yung road racing, pero I think ang difference I heard sa kuya niya and then sa others, medyo mas thrilling yung motocross kasi tumatalon.
Oh, may airtime siya,
So,
no?
medyo mas
Oo.
nakakakaba.
Okay.
So, medyo mas kailangan ng commitment. Parang mas marami ring aksidente, pero it's part of it.
It's part of it, motorsports.
Yeah.
Pero lupa yung babagsakan natin dito, sometimes putek. Hindi katulad sa road race is concrete or asphalt, di ba?
Mismo.
Oo. So, sa pagpe-prepare, paano ba ang preparation na ginagawa ng isang motocross rider? Can you tell us, the cyclistas out there watching?
Actually, sa motocross, hindi alam ng iba, medyo high intensity yung when you're going lap sa racetrack. Kaya ang training dito more of yung kung sa gym, circuit training, tapos kung sa jogging, intervals, uphill, downhill, and then ang magandang cross training ng motocross yung yung bike.
Bike talaga,
So
no?
usually talaga kailangan meron dun sa terrain ng uphill. So yun, integrate mo together, man and machine.
Man and
Kailangan
machine.
fit ka talaga.
Okay. So, ano to yung mga racetrack na ginagawa ng karera na to? I think, Jack, we have Mr. Gino Cruz. He's the marketing head of MMF.
MMF.
Ayan. Maybe you can ask him about what is MMF?
When po nag-start yung MMF?
Ang MMF nag-start way back February 2012.
So, what is MMF stands for? Ano ba? Para, for the viewers, para alam nila kung ano yung MMF.
Well, MMF stands for MX Messiah Fairground.
Wow. Yun.
So it's a private racetrack where everybody can train. We have complete facilities.
And where is it po?
It's located in inside Club Manila East sa Taytay Rizal.
Meron po ba yung membership if we want to practice? Or
Yes, we have actually rates for members and non-members.
Wow, that's good. So, meron na pala tayong tinatawag na regular racetrack, off-road racetrack. No? Actually, last year, nagpunta ang Ropali and CPI, then Phoenix doon sa racetrack ng MMF. So, we conducted off-road clinic headed by yours truly and Mr. Sam Tamayo. Hindi nyo na itatanong si Sam Tamayo is also a pastor. After racing motocross, may calling na naging pastor ka. So, paano nagkaroon ng ganong transition from a racer to a pastor?
Actually, siguro dahil yung side nung sport, extreme. Even sa abroad, maraming mga riders na Christian. Sina Ryan Dungey,
Oh, Ryan Dungey,
sina
yes.
Ryan Villopoto,
Oh.
sina Trey Kennard. So basically, I'm more of like somehow a spiritual leader. So we basically pray and study the Word of God, especially before we ride the racetrack.
Napakagandang mission yan no? Sir Pastor Sam, ayan. Maybe you can invite them to your racetrack and kung may mga events tayo, kung may mga clinics tayo, maybe Sir Gino and Sir Sam, you can give us ano ba yung mga mangyayari? Where can we find MMF? Ayan.
Actually, lagi namang merong event every weekend. Masaya ron, may ihaw-ihaw,
Yeah.
and minimal lang naman yung fee to maintain the racetrack. And check us out at Facebook. We have Facebook, yun yung parang pinaka madaling puntahan eh. Lahat kasi may Facebook account na ngayon. So, MX Messiah Fairgrounds.
Ayan. So, Sir Gino?
Yeah, again, we would like to invite everyone to check our racetrack. Try motocross.
Ayan. So mga siklistas, at this point, I'd like to thank my apparel for today. It's given by Mr. Gino Cruz. Sir Gino, maraming salamat dito sa napakagandang shirt. And check out MMF Motocross Messiah Fairgrounds. If you want to learn the basic of off-road riding, you can contact Sam Tamayo and Gino Cruz. Doon lang po yan sa may Manila East, Taytay Rizal. Okay, so mga sikwista, muli po, ako po si Mr. Mel Aquino
At ako po si Jack Buncho.
at ito ang Featured Riders of the Week.